Doubtful Sound was a place Lucie and I really wanted to explore. Located deep within Fiord National Park, it lies in one of the most remote corners of New Zealand's South Island. Getting there is an adventure in itself. We started our journey the day before with an 8-hour drive from Christchurch to Manapori. The next morning, we took a scenic boat ride across Lake Manapori. Often described as New Zealand's most beautiful lake, this section of the journey was really a highlight for us. Looking at the dramatic scenery and snow on the mountains, this really set us up for what we had before us. A coach then awaited us at the end, which took us over Wilmot Pass, one of New Zealand's most remote roads. Not connected to any other road network in New Zealand, this really felt exclusive. We then arrived in Deep Cove and boarded our boat to begin our epic journey into Doubtful Sound.